How to move Authenticator to new phone. Now moving your Authenticator to your new phone, which is your Microsoft Authenticator, is fairly simple. Now whether it is a new phone or the same phone that you're trying to log in, you want to restore everything. The only thing that you need to ensure over here is that you must have backed up your previous account's Authenticator data to your Microsoft account, and assuming that you have done that on the new phone, you simply have to restore that data using your Microsoft account, which is the same login details, right? So for this, all you're going to do is simply open the Microsoft Authenticator app, and right here on the login page, before we tap on add account or anything as such, you can see it says already have a backup, sign into your recovery account. So that's exactly what we want to do. Tap on the begin recovery button. It will take you to the page where you can simply log into your Microsoft account. So make sure to enter your Microsoft account email and your password and your login details as such, and after that your everything data that was on your previous device will be restored as long as you had backed them up. So I hope this video pretty much helped it out for you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.